Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity, Bosco, Uganda. Um, Here in Gwokke, Keni, I thank you so much for this opportunity you brought for us. Bosco, Uganda came this side some time back, and they started. They brought for us computers here. Uh, this place was not having computer center for people like the youth outside. But when Bosco Uganda came in, it gave hope for people to train in computers, including me personally. By the time Bosco came, with the first time they came, they brought in some computers here. I also became one of the beneficiaries. That is where I started learning how to use a computer. And though I was getting some knowledge from school, but the outside knowledge from outside school was much interesting for me. That is through the initiative to give us computers from Gwokke here. Uh, what I'm much liking, they do follow up on how the center is doing, and they ended up giving us new computers. As generation moves on, computers also keep on changing. They brought us new computers with different models, which is giving us to be a kind of updated in the office here, in the organization here. And this, I'm sure, most of the youth will end up coming because they will find it is not all the computers they first brought. Like me also, the first all the computers were not all that like comfortable because they were very small. But for their second coming, I think they also saw and found like the computers were small and not comfortable. But currently we have new computers, around five of them which they brought, and they are so much comfortable with the large screens, which is giving us comfort in this training, and even other people they are liking it. That's why I have to appreciate much from Bosco Uganda. Uh, we as management of uh, this center, we are going to make sure we uplift it at least on top. The only challenge which we have is like how to facilitate the trainer, but that is what we are going to look after. That how are we going to facilitate this trainer from the small monies which are picked up from these trainees. That's what we are going to check on and see how the security of this place is, and other things. We shall sit down as the management. I thank so much Bosco Uganda for this initiative, for empowering the youth, because uh, someone who trained me was also a trainee here and opened a center there, and is now earning a living. That's why through this, some people are getting it as a way of earning a living. Around two guys there who I know they trained with us here with the other first computers. They're also earning a living around the center there. That's why I appreciate so much Bosco Uganda for their initiative, always coming to check on the center. This center got closed. I think the COVID issue also came in. That's why the center was closed, and the computers were the same way I was telling you. We're getting challenged. Computers were going down, but uh, as the management, we are not willing to find that happened again. We are going to make sure like the ICT room should not just be closed. We are going to formulate a strong rules and regulations and make sure always the center is open, and try to advertise outside so that uh, most of our clients come in, get aware like this place they do the training through the help of Bosco Uganda. Thank you so much for the opportunity.